What's going on, everybody? Blake here with Trade Tracer. As always, none of this is financial advice. Always trade and invest at your own risk. In this week's video, I'm going to break down how I am approaching the market and also go over to a couple crypto setups that I'm looking at. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Got the S&P pulled up here on a daily time frame, and on Friday we closed at all-time highs with price strength confirmation. Last week, if you watched the video, I said you could get long if we got above this 418.25 level. I did go ahead and take some call options in the S&P once we broke above that level, and then we got a gap up on Friday. Good place to scale, and then holding some runners into this week. So we'll see what Monday's open brings. But overall, the S&P 500 does look pretty strong, but we do have some laggards in the technology sector. So the S&P is looking really strong, but what's leading is the Dow Jones. So the Dow Jones is looking really strong. This actually did trigger a trade for us on Friday. On Thursday, actually, we did close at all-time highs with price strength confirmation on Thursday. Then we had a trigger for a swing long on Friday. So we are invested in this in the investment portfolio. And I also have call options, and I am long futures with the Dow Jones, and I'm also along the S&P. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq can't hold a bid. So this 338.19 is a very important level. I would like to see price get back above Friday's high, get back above the cloud. That would be a good start. But until I really see some momentum and some price structure above this 338.19, not too interested in the technology names. Now, in my personal opinion, it's going to be difficult for the SPY and the Dow to continue this strength without having the Nasdaq participate as well. We really need to see those big names like Amazon and Apple and Facebook and Google. We need to see those names wake up and start leading the market. And until then, I don't have a ton of conviction in these swing longs in the SPY and also the Dow Jones. But the fact remains, we're in uptrend. We gotta take the uptrend. This is part of our strategy. But we're also taking it with a grain of salt because, once again, the Nasdaq just can't catch a bid. On Friday, this really just didn't do too much. It fizzled out while the S&P and the Dow just absolutely ripped. So a couple things that I'm watching this week. Also, gold GLD does look pretty strong. We are invested in this, and we have some call options if you are swinging this as a premium member. Good place to take some profits if we get there is this 174 level. You can see it nicely coincides with this anchored VWAP from the all-time high, and it is a level of interest that I've highlighted. So keep a close eye on this area. If you're long already, good place to take some profits if we get there. A couple other things that I'm watching is the cryptos. So Bitcoin is very much respecting this 37.5 level, 37.6 level. Finally got back above that on, what was this, Saturday. So Saturday we did get back above this level, back above the cloud. And now you can see we're encountering some resistance at this 59,000 level. I think if we get a couple closes above this 59,000, we do make a quick push back to the all-time highs, maybe that 65 level. So keep a close eye on Bitcoin. However, Ethereum is my biggest holding. It is leading. We like to trade what is leading the market. And I think we did tag 4,000. Let's see. Just $20 shy of 4,000. So we basically tagged 4,000 on Ethereum. This is a phenomenal cryptocurrency and also blockchain if you're not familiar. The smart contracts, it's a virtual machine. It is my largest holding. I really like this longer term. Not a new trade setup just yet. I would ideally like to see a pullback and then reset up once again. So how am I playing this week? Well, we are in an uptrend. I'm already long the S&P 500, and I have a heavier position in the Dow Jones because it's leading. You can see these notes is what I provided members on, let's say Friday, because we had the trigger for Friday because of Thursday's close. So I am more heavily involved with the Dow. I am already involved with the S&P. I am looking to see what the Nasdaq can do this week. This is going to be my my conviction gauge, I should say, because if the Nasdaq can't confirm price above this previous all-time high, then my conviction level and my confidence in the market is not going to be where I would like it to be to continue to hold swing long. So until that happens, I'm playing smaller size, scaling quicker, and also really keeping a very open mind because these momentum names are having a tough time catching a bid. So I hope that gave you some insights into this week. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe if you like this content. Also follow me on Twitter and check out the details in the description to get some free trade signals. All right, I'll see you on Monday. Take care.